Yeah. In the camera, they look like they're so far away, but they're so close. I wish the fence wasn't here. Whoop, whoop. These are magnificent.